If you're a fan of perfectly grilled paninis, delicious sandwiches, or versatile kitchen appliances that simplify your cooking process, then this IMUSA stainless steel panini press electric with adjustable temperature settings and non-stick plates is a must-have for your kitchen. This review will delve into why this panini press is not just another kitchen gadget, but an essential tool for anyone who loves cooking. The IMUSA Panini Press is not just for paninis. This multifunctional appliance can handle a variety of foods, from pancakes to grilled cheeses, arepas, veggies, pork chops, and more. Whether are preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a quick snack, this panini press can do it all. The flat surface with raised edges allows you to cook foods with liquids without making a mess, expanding your cooking options even further. Imagine starting your day with fluffy pancakes and ending it with a perfectly grilled steak, all made with one versatile appliance. The IMUSA Panini Press makes this possible. One of the standout features of the IMUSA Panini Press is its adjustable knob, which allows you to set the press to 4 different heights. This feature is perfect for customizing and stacking your paninis to perfection. Whether you like your sandwiches thin and crispy or thick and juicy, this panini press has you covered. The adjustable height settings ensure that your sandwiches and other foods are cooked exactly the way you like them, giving you complete control over your culinary creations. The IMUSA Panini Press heats up quickly, ensuring that your food is ready in just minutes. The non-stick cooking plates distribute heat evenly, so your food is cooked to perfection every time. The preset temperature ensures that every sandwich you grill will be toasted golden brown, providing consistent and delicious results. Need a quick meal solution? The IMUSA Panini Press cooks your meals in minutes, saving you time without compromising on taste or quality. Cleaning up after cooking can be a daunting task, but not with the IMUSA Panini Press. The non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring that food doesn't stick to the plates. Simply wipe down the plates with a damp cloth after they're cooled, and you're done. This easy cleanup feature is perfect for those who love cooking but dread the cleanup process. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing pots and pans. The IMUSA Panini Press's non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, letting you enjoy your meal without worrying about the mess. The IMUSA Panini Press is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen. Its polished stainless steel exterior not only looks great but also ensures durability. The compact size allows you to store it easily on your kitchen shelf or in a cabinet without taking up too much space. The cool touch handle and rubber feet provide extra stability, making it safe and convenient to use. Limited kitchen space? No problem. The IMUSA Panini Press's compact design ensures it fits neatly into any kitchen, making it perfect for small apartments or crowded countertops. The IMUSA Panini Press is equipped with user-friendly features that make it a joy to use. The red power and green ready indicator lights eliminate guesswork, letting you know exactly when the press is ready to use. The cool touch handle ensures safe operation, and the rubber feet provide stability, preventing the press from sliding around during use. No more guesswork or unsafe handling. The IMUSA Panini Press's user-friendly features ensure a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Whether you're hosting a brunch, preparing a quick lunch, or grilling dinner for the family, the IMUSA Panini Press is up to the task. Its ability to handle a variety of foods makes it an ideal appliance for any occasion. Impress your guests with restaurant-quality paninis and grilled foods made right in your kitchen. Hosting a party or just cooking for yourself? The IMUSA Panini Press is perfect for any occasion, making every meal a special one. Final thoughts. The IMUSA Stainless Steel Panini Press Electric with adjustable temperature settings and non-stick plates is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly kitchen appliance that can elevate your culinary experience. Its ability to handle a variety of foods, customizable height settings, quick heating, easy cleanup, and sleek design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Invest in the IMUSA Panini Press today and enjoy the convenience and versatility it brings to your cooking routine. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting, This Panini Press will help you create delicious meals with ease. Transform your kitchen and enjoy perfectly grilled paninis, sandwiches, and more with the IMUSA Panini Press. It's time to take your home cooking to the next level. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.